Hey, it's Tamara, and as you know, it's a great way to get a sense of what your audience and community members are struggling with so that you can provide the content and information and courses and classes and programs that will address their needs. And so, one of the ways to do that really quickly on Facebook is to do a poll. So, I just want to show you how to do that. So, when you are inside a group, then you're going to hit poll and you would just add a question, ask something. You're hearing my dog drink water in the background. Okay, here you go. And then you just add an option, right? So I said, authors, which topic are you struggling with the most? And it says, please post any other topics in the comments below. And so let's just create a list of things. So one would be self-publishing. Okay, another would be book launch. Okay, and another may be book sales and marketing. And we can add more by clicking right here on this link. And I might just add social media, let's just say social media and media. And then I like that you can add an icon because it just kind of makes it a little more interesting. So that's for the first one, which is self-publishing. I'm just going to put a little book icon. And then for book launch, I think I'm going to put a little rocket ship. And for book sales and marketing, I'm going to put a little money bag. And for, I meant to add this, for video creation and marketing. Okay, and so let's go to social media and I'll do a little Facebook icon and then video creation and marketing. And I will do, I might want to even break that down to video creation as a separate thing from video marketing, but I'll leave that together just for the sake of what we're doing here. And by the way, you can get free icons at flaticon.com. And so then you got this. So then it says, that's it. So again, I said, authors, what topic are you struggling with the most? And then I said, P.S., please post any other topics in the comments below. So if there's something that's not here, you want to know what that is. Okay, you want to know what it is that they're struggling with. And if I put the other option, I could add other, but I don't want to, because if they select that, then I don't get to hear what it is that they are dealing with. I'd rather them just put it in the comments below and then I can know specifically. So that is how you create your poll. And you just post right here and we'll see what it looks like. There it is. And I'm wondering if I can get rid of this one. For some reason, it's not letting me delete that. So just, there it is. All right. So that is how you create a poll in a group. It's a little bit different on your business page, and it's a little bit different on your personal fan page. So let's just go take a quick look at that so you're not surprised. So in a group, it's right here, very easy. Let's go to my business page really quickly. We'll just go to the author to income public income page, and we'll click on that. And then you click on your business manager. And then here it is. It looks almost the same, but it's not quite. Notice the poll button is missing, so you click on the three dots right there. And the other thing that's really interesting, where is the poll? There it is down here. The other thing, they only allow you to have 2 questions instead of all those other options that they allow for the group. So I'm going to pick then just 2 topics. So I'm just going to say self-publishing, and I'm going to add the little book icon. And then I'm going to add book launch. And that here and do the little rocket ship. So that only allows 2. So that's why this comment right here to please post any other topics in the comments below is really important, right? So they only have 2 options. So I'm going to publish that. Okay. And if it's on your business page like this one is, then you should be able to pin it to the top if you want people to see that first. So you can just pin it to the top of the page, okay? Then if you want to go over to your personal page, let me go back over to Facebook. Okay, I'm not seeing it, so I'm just going to type it, new Facebook. Here's my personal page. And the personal page, again, it's missing here, so along the bar here. So you just click on the three dots. And interestingly, it too, here's the bowl, it has only two options. So I'm going to do just the exact same thing here. And I'm just going to say self-publishing again. And then I'm going to say book launch. And I'm going to click on those icons again, self-publishing. And then I'm going to click on the rocket ship again. Okay, so as you can see on your personal page and on your business page, they only allow you to have two options. And I have no idea why. And then in your groups, you could see I could do a full on survey, which I really liked, with many more options. So like if we go over to my mastermind group, you can see it's right here. So there it is. I hope that helps you get your poll created. Let me know if you have any questions, and just post your questions beneath my polls. and I'm happy to answer any questions you have. So I hope that helps you get your polls started, and I'll see you in the next video.